and today we're going to discuss about what to pack when you're coming to UK. I've divided this into 5 main things: clothes, beddings, kitchen, electronics and medical. So let's start. So first thing is clothes. I should have rather said wearables, and I have a list here. I'll keep referring to it so that I don't miss anything. So in clothes, in wearables, I'm going to talk about the first and the most important thing, that is shoes. Yes, buy yourself a good pair of shoes. Any sport shoes, normal shoes, flip-flops, avoid them to begin with, because when I came in it was winter and it rains a lot here, so having a non-slippery good pair of shoes for initial few months would be a good idea. I bought mine from Decathalon. I'm going to give you a link in description box if in case you want to go and check out. I found them most economical ones, and everything that I bought from there is working here, so you might want to take a look at it. So yes, you don't need snowshoes. Mountain shoes will do for initial few months while you are getting used to walking on the streets of Dundee. Those kind of shoes will be a good idea. Second thing that you should bring along is a good jacket. There are a lot of jackets available here. In fact, in a very inexpensive cost. I will take you to places where you can find clothes which are in budget and are nice in quality as well, like Primark, but that will be in my coming videos. For now, because it's your initial settling period, I would suggest get at least 1 or maximum 2 jackets for yourself. Try and not bring the jackets that are with cloth material. Get ones that are polyester, wind shutter type on the top, so that as I told you, it rains, so it mostly drizzles here in the winter time. So when there's a drizzling and there is a wind as well, so it is not always possible to carry umbrella all around, so just wear a jacket and move around. So that will be really helpful. Third thing is a cap or a muffs. I'm not a cap person. I don't like wearing that woolen cap. So if you don't, buy yourself an ear muff, because for the beginners, in winter the air is chilly, and if you're covering your ears and you have a good pair of jackets and shoes, that will mostly cover you from the weather. So I found it very helpful having an ear muff for myself. You may go for a cap or a ear muff as per your convenience. Then comes another important thing, and that is gloves, but not any ordinary gloves. Buy a glove in which you can use your phone without taking them off. Again, I bought one from Decathalon. They had these things on the finger with which I could access my phone without taking my gloves off. Why? Because when you come in, you're moving around, you don't know the area, you have to use Google Map a lot, and you have to keep doing something on your phone, finding your way out. And in winter, air sometimes is so chilly that it freezes your hand and it pains as well because of the cold. So it will be a good idea to buy yourself a gloves. If you won't, then you will certainly remember me when you're not able to take your hands off the glove or you're not able to use your phone. So that will be the other important thing. Now, so we've covered shoes, we've covered jacket, ear muff, gloves. Heels, I would say that if you're fond of any heel, carry it with you. You won't be able to wear them much apart from the presentations and all. Otherwise also you get shoes here. They are not very costly. You can carry one pair of your formal to begin with, and then you can shop rest from here itself. We do not have any shop in Dundee where there are ethnic clothes. So if you're fond of ethnic clothes, if you want to wear them on special occasion, pack 1 or 2 ethnics for yourself. We do get them here on Amazon or Glasgow or Edinburgh, but if you want to buy them from Dundee itself, that won't be possible. So you can pack 1 or 2 pairs. Then in terms of colors, if you want to know, winter is very dull for Scotland, so mostly you'll see shades of blacks and grey. So you may want to choose your jackets and your trousers, shoes in those shades as only. So it's just a tip. If you want to be colorful, you can. There are people who wear colorful things, but mostly people here buy shades of grey for the winters. And that will be all for the clothes. Now we'll move on to the next category. Second thing is beddings. Don't get any beddings. No blankets, no quilts, no razai, nothing. It's called duvet here. So you get them from any store, from Tesco, Home Bargain, Primark. Almost every place is called duvets, and they are very economical. So there is no need to carry any blanket. Initially, wherever you've booked in Airbnb or in a hotel, they'll provide you that, and within a week or so you can buy yourself. They're easy to carry. You can even carry them in the bus to your living place. So don't carry any blankets. There is no need to carry pillows. They are also easily available and very economical and good quality ones. And there is no need to bring the bed sheets as well, because here there are fitted bed sheets as per the size of your bed, so you can pick them up. Again, they are also very economical. If in case you want to keep 1 or 2 bed sheets as a backup, you may, but you don't really have to. So save yourself some space, and no need to carry any of the beddings here. As a student, laptop is very apart from the student discount that you get. Next on the list is because you will not get any medicine on Indian or your home country's prescription.